Hello everyone, today I am cleaning my throttle body and the intake manifold on my Volvo D4 engine, diesel. And well, you find a lot of other YouTube videos on how to take it off. It's not that hard. You just have 1,000,000 screws to take off, but it's not that hard. But the most important thing, besides the actual cleaning and making sure you do not get much debris inside the engine, you can use a vacuum. I use the vacuum with a screwdriver, gently just making sure the valves are closed and cleaning out the intake. But that's not the most important thing. The most important thing is this: make sure you get a new intake seal, gasket. I don't know what's the word in English, but you get my drift. Last time I've cleaned the intake manifold, I forgot to change this, and I had a lot of oil leakage on top of the engine. So when you're taking the intake and the throttle body to clean, make sure you are changing this seal, and you also have a seal here between the intake manifold and the throttle body. I already put the seal there and I forgot to make a video, but it's a green seal just like this one. Make sure you clean the surface, and it just like a Lego, it just fits inside the grooves. So yeah, remember, this is a very important thing. Otherwise you have oil leakage, and yeah, that's it. It's about 10 euros, this seal. Have a great day.